Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Snigdha. So the topic for today's video is vertebrates. Before we dive into today's amazing content, I have a quick but important request for you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. So in this video, we will learn what are vertebrate animals, in what groups are they classified, and we'll also see some examples of vertebrate animals. What are vertebrates? Animals that possess a backbone are called vertebrates. Vertebrates have several key features in common. The majority have a hollow backbone and cranium or skull which safeguard the spinal cord and brain. Vertebrates can be broadly classified into 5 main groups: mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, and amphibians. So firstly, we will know about vertebrate birds. Vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and warm-blooded metabolisms are known as birds. As a defining feature, all birds have wings, though not all birds can fly. While most species are capable of flight, some are not. Fish. Aquatic vertebrate animals that have gills are known as fish. Due to their cold-blooded nature, their body temperature fluctuates following their environment. Reptile. Reptiles are a type of cold-blooded animal characterized by their scaly skin and leathery eggs. Their skin is typically dry and covered with scales or bony plates. Additionally, reptiles are known to lay soft-shelled eggs. Amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded creatures that are identified by their moist, scaleless skin. They are typically found in hot, humid regions such as tropical areas. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that possess hair or fur and mammary glands capable of producing milk. They are considered one of the most intelligent of all living beings. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share our video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.